I bought the wrong region information and arrived in Riyadh to find I only had 3G and couldn't connect to the internet. I checked the airport Wi-Fi and contacted the manufacturer's customer service through AGD. The customer service was incredibly professional. They quickly analyzed the problem from their system and found out I had mistakenly purchased the United Arab Emirates region instead of Saudi Arabia. Surprisingly, they immediately added Saudi Arabia to the service in their system. I was practically rescued while I was abroad. This company's customer service is extremely professional. They empathize and solve problems from the customer's perspective. They don't try to shirk responsibility after discovering it's the customer's fault but instead try to find the most direct and effective solutions. I sincerely recommend them to all consumers who need overseas internet service. Their service is absolutely amazing. A touched customer's comment. As the official instructions say, download and set it up before departure, then turn it on upon arrival in Doha to access the internet. This avoids the problem of not being able to set it up at Doha Airport. The internet speed is also quite good. As the official instructions say, download and set it up before departure, then turn it on upon arrival in Doha to access the internet. This avoids the problem of not being able to set it up at Doha Airport. The internet speed is also quite good. It was working from the moment I arrived at the airport. I didn't encounter any problems while using it. Sometimes the signal is unstable in places, but other people had the same problem, so it doesn't seem to be the fault of the eSIM. When I arrived at the airport in Saudi Arabia, I realized I had bought the wrong thing. I contacted customer service and they immediately gave me the Saudi eSIM QR code, which solved the problem right away. The local Saudi Arabian people are very friendly and polite, and the country is safe and clean. They are also very welcoming to tourists, making it a suitable country for solo travelers as well as couples. I couldn't install the eSIM, so I contacted customer service via chat and was able to use it without any problems. The communication, chat, was very quick and reliable. At Hamad Airport, simply scan the QR code and follow the steps to access the internet. It works perfectly on the subway and at tourist attractions. Since I was only staying for 4 hours and had a layover on my return trip, I bought a 30-day 3G data plan, and the network connection was very smooth. The network is smooth more than 90% of the time, only occasionally is the network reception quality poor, but this does not affect normal use. The internet speed was stable and fast during my trip, the one-click installation was convenient, and it was easy to use. Highly recommended. It's cheap and easy to use, great value for money, and the reception is quite stable. I would definitely repurchase it if I had the chance. This was my second trip to Dubai, and my first time using an eSIM card. The network connection was excellent throughout my city travel.